What's going on YouTube? You know, your boy, not your average hybrid, back with another video. I know it's been a while, but it's a nice little update video on the Infiniti. I know y'all ain't seen it in a while, but I got you. Like I said, you feel me? I know it's been a while since, you know, I put a video up on the M. You've been getting a whole lot of tracks, it's banded, and you know, other videos. So you feel me? I ain't want to bore y'all with the M content, cause you know I ain't really do too much lately, really. Other than you guys can see, I got these visors. You know, nice little window visors. Cool for the rain. You know, you guys still have your window cracked, no rain will get in. Got them on both sides. Pretty cool. Got the chrome top, so you know don't mess with the other chrome lining going around the window. So other than that, you guys didn't really miss out on much. That's the only other thing I got installed on the hybrid. So definitely more mods coming. For sure. I just been busy with work. So definitely just want to give y'all guys, you know, a nice little update video. Car still here, it's not going anywhere. I do have another car now. If you guys don't know, follow me on Instagram. You know, Instagram sees everything first. But yeah, I got that out. I'm gonna make a video on that car. I'm not gonna, you know, give you too much of a spoiler, but you'll see when the video comes out. But yeah, guys, you know, I'm still here. If you haven't liked, comment, subscribe, do that right now, you feel me? Drop any comments, questions, anything, you feel me? I'm human just like y'all. Anything you wanna know, any questions, any recommendations you might want from me for your car, I'm always here to help, guys, you feel me? That's what I do. I love customizing cars. It's my thing. I've been doing it for years now, so something I just have an eye for. But I ain't gonna keep you guys too long, you know. Still looking the same, give you guys a nice overlook. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. You know, nothing new. You know, nothing new. Still looking good, but yeah, like I was saying, the only thing I pretty much got is the visors. I got these off eBay for $81.99, so pretty much $82 for the whole set, you know. Driver side and passenger side, and the installation part, you know, real easy. It's that 3M tape. Till next time, guys. Go.